What is the value of x and y, given that you have 6 to the power of x minus y minus 6 to the power of y minus 6 equals 1295. So recall that when you have a to the power of m minus n equals as a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So when we apply it to this and this, we are going to have 6 to the power of x divided by 6 to the power of 6 minus, this will also be 6 to the power of y divided by 6 to the power of 6 equals 1295. So we have this in common. We can have it here as 6 to the power of 6. 6 to the power of 6 divided by 6 to the power of 6, we have 1. Multiplied by this, here will be 6 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of 6 divided by this 6 to the power of 6 will be 1. Multiplied by this, here will be 6 to the power of y equals 1295. Then let's cross multiply. This implies we have 6 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of y equals 6 to the power of 6 multiplied by 1295. So from here, it is obvious from the left hand side that 6 to the power of x will be greater than 6 to the power of y, and this implies that x greater than y. The reason is that because of this negative, no matter what the value of y, because of this negative, it will affect this. And so therefore 6 to the power of x will be greater than 6 to the power of y. And also that one implies that x greater than y, such that k is any integers. So from here, we have, this implies that if x greater than y, this implies that we are going to have our x to be equals y plus k, such that this k is any integer. Now, so therefore we can replace our x here to now be 6 to the power of y plus k minus 6 to the power of y equals 6 to the power of 6 multiplied by 1295. So remember, when you have a to the power of m plus n equals as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So likewise happen to this. Here will be 6 to the power of y multiplied by 6 to the power of k minus 6 to the power of y equals 6 to the power of 6 multiplied by 1295. So from here, when you factor 6 to the power of y, from here will be 6 to the power of y into this divided by this, we have 6 to the power of k left minus 6 to the power of y divided by this, we have 1 left, equals 6 to the power of 6 multiplied by 1295. So from here, it is obvious that we can equate this time to be equals this, and this, the whole of this here, to be equals this. So we have 6 to the power of y to be equals 6 to the power of 6. So far they have the same base, we can equate the power to be equals y equals 6. Then we also have 6 to the power of k minus 1 to be equals 1295 from here. So we are going to have 6 to the power of k to be equals 1295 plus 1. And so we have here to be 6 to the power of k equals 1296. But mind you that 6 to the power of 4 equals 1296 as this. So by putting it here, we are going to have 6 to the power of k equals 6 to the power of 4. By equating their power, so far the base are the same, we have k to be equals 4. So k equals 4 and y equals 6. So we have to recall that we have this from the problem given to us, that our x equals y plus k. So this implies we have y to be equals 6, k to be equals 4. So we have x to be equals 10. So from here, we have x to be equals 10. Then let us go and verify. Let us check. So let us check. To check, we have x to be equals 10 and y to be equals 6. So from here we have 6 to the power of 10 minus 6 minus 6 to the power of 6 minus 6. Then it's going to give us 1295. So from here we have 6 to the power of 10 minus 6 will give us 4, minus 6 to the power of 6 will give us 0. Then is it going to give us 1295. 6 to the power of 4 is 1296 minus 6 to the power of 0 is 1. Because we believe that any number raised to the power of 0 equals 1. So then is it going to give us 1295. 1296 minus 1 will give us 1295, which equals 1295. So far the left hand side equals the right hand side. So this implies that x equals 10, y equals 6. Satisfy the problem given to us. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye-bye.